Hey, it's Alan Martin coming to you from Jubilee RV Center in Kamloops, BC. Today we're going to be talking about the Minnie drop in the 170S. This floor plan is quite light. It's only 2,900 pounds dry weight. The exterior length is 20'4", that's hitch to bumper. And just a few other things, you've got a 31 freshwater capacity, 31 gallons, 25 gallons for your black and gray, and an 18,000 BTU furnace. That should be enough of the stats. Let's just start talking about this trailer. You do have the pylon that goes over the entire trailer, so it's a one-piece roof. The exterior does come with the tongue jack, one 20-pound propane tank, and room for a battery up here at the front. All of the baggage doors utilize a magnetic holding system, so that just lifts up. When you look inside there's quite a bit of storage, and these trailers all have a shut-off switch. So you have a system to be able to shut off the coach completely, so there's no dead batteries. The awning system, as you can see, has the LED lighting and a system to be able to pull down, so you can set the drop angle on the awning to allow for water management. You've got the larger off-road package here, so this gives you the 15-inch wheels and tires and a raised suspension height, adding about 6 inches from what would be a standard package. Got the step-in grab handle and a single step to make it easy in and out of the trailer, and again additional storage back here as well. So this one's kind of nice with the secondary storage compartment. All right, let's just skip around to the other side of the trailer and we'll talk a little bit more about the features on that side. All right, so we're on the other side now. Just a few things to point out here. We have the Zamp solar plug-in system, so you just open that cap right there and you can plug your solar panel in, set it out in the sun. 6-gallon hot water heater, and that is a dual mode system, so it runs on electricity or gas. This just has the back of the furnace here, 18,000 BTUs as I mentioned before. Fresh water fill down here. Now that's not going to be difficult to access because normally when you're filling your water you slide it in. This does have an outside shower, so there's going to be hot and cold there for you with a sprayer. And then at the very back it does have a detachable style power connection. So 30 amp, and then you've got a fresh water connection here, but also the black water flush, which on small trailers you don't see very often. Nice to have that black water flush to just clean everything out and make it really easy. Down at the bottom here where your waste gates are. So pull those gates, obviously with the hose attached, and everything works well. Right, so here we are inside the 170S Winnebago Minnie drop. Nice closet here when you first come in, pantry space, somewhere to put food and things like that. This one does have a pretty nice stereo system. One of the things that's nice about this particular unit, in addition to it being a DVD player and Bluetooth compatible and all that stuff, it has two zones, actually 3 zones, 2 that are active on this trailer, but it allows you to have an inside volume and an outside volume that are separate. So it's just nice that, you know, maybe you don't want to have it too loud outside or inside, however that the case might be, it allows for that flexibility. Since we're right beside the bathroom, we're going to head straight in there. This has actually got a lot of room in here. I think you'll find that there aren't too many small trailers that offer this much counter space, a decent amount of cabinet space, and even down here, you know, there's room for extra rolls of toilet paper and stuff like that. But the big news is just right around the corner here. Look at the size of that closet, and you know, you can hang jackets and stuff like that in here as well. So they've done a really nice job of being able to utilize the space in such a small trailer. As we come over here, you come into the kitchen area. It's a smaller kitchen. You have to remember that you're going to be utilizing your table here for some of your prep space. But saying that, there's a lot of room in behind, so I've got lots of depth to work with. A pretty decent overhead cabinet for things like plates and so forth. And for pots and pans, there's actually lots of room underneath the sink here as well. So, and then I've got some nice big full extension drawers. There's storage underneath both sides of the dinette. So you've got room underneath the dinette here, and again the overhead compartments. There is an air conditioning unit in this model. Refrigerator by Dometic. It's a 2-mode refrigerator, so it works on gas or electricity, and it does have the freezer built in. The microwave is a dual mode microwave, so it's a convection oven and a microwave all built into one. And then we of course have the bed up here at the front. This is a double size bed, so lots of room for sleeping, and really a great little package, lightweight, and great to take your family out camping, and something that you should come take a look at down here at Jubilee RV. My name's Alan Martin. Come and see us. The phone number is 250-372-0600.